This day in history at a glance, October 25th. Year 1415. Event: Battle of Agincourt. On October 25, 1415, during the Hundred Years' War, King Henry V of England led his forces to victory against a much larger French army at the Battle of Agincourt. His use of longbowmen and strategic positioning marked a pivotal moment in English military history. Year 1881. Event: Pablo Picasso born. The legendary Spanish artist Pablo Picasso was born on October 25, 1881. He revolutionized modern art through the creation of Cubism and had a profound influence on the art world throughout the 20th century. Year 1983. Event: U.S. invades Grenada. In 1983, the United States launched an invasion of Grenada to overthrow a Marxist regime and protect American medical students. This military intervention was met with international controversy, but achieved its immediate goals. Year 1964. Event: The Rolling Stones perform on The Ed Sullivan Show. On October 25, 1964, the Rolling Stones made their first appearance on The Ed Sullivan Show, marking a major moment in their rise to fame. The performance helped cement their place as one of the most iconic bands in rock history. Which event interests you most? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history insights and compelling stories, subscribe, like, and share.